A message from the Kpatawee's Waterfall. She says, "Good morning, the loving people of Liberia. The ones whose hearts have been downplayed, their hopes have been broken in the hands of trust, but the minds shall flee from the wickedness. Good morning, that heart of Bonka that waves her shining hands above all. Her smiles has wiped away the tears of the bereaved, and her voice has been pleasant to the ears of the deaf. The sound of her song is sung repeatedly, though she cries on rock, just the same to our ears. She says, good morning to those whose parents have joined hands with the ancestor. Good morning. She was one-headed beneath the heart of her mother, but her pleasant nose in beauty has exposed her to the eyes of mankind. She has now become the favorite among many. Good morning, she says. Let her tears not be seen for pleasure. Not even her voice must be heard secretly. For her beauty shall fill our hearts with excitement. A message from the Kpatawee's Waterfall. Mama Liberia with no more.